guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video, I'm going to be vlogging my day, but I'm mainly going to be vlogging packages, two really big and exciting packages that I got, and I'm so happy that they actually came at the same time because they're both to kind of create a workspace for me. And we got the big desk in today from FlexiSpot, so I'm going to pop in all the footage of us assembling it and everything. But once we assembled it, it was actually super easy to assemble. I think it only took a few like screws and stuff. It had everything that it needed, and it's actually like a standing desk, so it can go up and down. So here is package number one that we're going to be unboxing. So this is a FlexiSpot desk. Just for reference, like you guys can't really tell how big this is, but here it is by my feet. So this is actually a lot easier than I thought to assemble because this bar is both legs and then this is just the top. So we just have to attach this to this. Okay, we officially have it assembled. It really wasn't that hard. We just had to put in some little screws and it came with all the stuff that we needed. So that was nice. But I wanted to just unbox my second package, which is super exciting. I actually bought this for myself, and this is probably, I think, the biggest purchase I've ever made for myself, which I'm super excited about and proud of. And I just know that this is such a long-term investment, so I'm super excited to make sure that it's all good. I'm super fortunate that this is the biggest investment that I've ever had to make for myself. Initially, the biggest purchase that I had made, I think I mentioned this in that vlog, was my vlogging camera. This takes the cake for sure. Spoiler alert, I got a Mac. I've been wanting an iMac for a really long time so that I could use it for editing and stuff. My computer literally overheats and sounds like it's gonna blow up every time I edit a YouTube video, and so I felt like it was time for me to level up and get a bigger monitor. Also, our Mac at home that we all share doesn't really work anyway, so I figured it can serve a double purpose, be out in the living area and everyone can kind of use it. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. My brother's girlfriend actually let me know about the Apple refurbished website. So this is a refurbished Mac, so it's still in new condition. It made the price a lot cheaper, so I definitely recommend looking on that site and seeing if they have like the model and the gigs and stuff that you're looking for, because that was super nice. And I ordered it on Monday and it's already here. It's Thursday, so I'm gonna unbox this for you guys really quick, and I'm sure you can guess what color I got, but I'll save it for the unboxing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here it is, and it has this little sticker, Apple certified refurbished. So it was refurbished by Apple. This is so exciting. This actually came in yesterday, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys, so I held back on unboxing it off camera. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. I love the color. Okay, so this is the true size. Not too bad. Very perfect, which is exactly what I was looking for. The back is like this teal blue, and then it has like the green. The green is the whole front though, and so you won't really see the back anyway. I'm gonna go and put this on the desk, and then I'll do the rest of the unboxing over on the desk. Here is like the charging cable. I don't know why I have this setting on, but they have just this cute cord that matches. And then this is like the main power cord. Oh my gosh, the mouse is green. It's like the green bottom. The keyboard is so cute as well. And I on Amazon bought, what is it called? Desk pad that I'm gonna put all of this on top of to make it stand out a little bit more and glide easier. Okay, we're gonna test it to make sure it can stand. So I'm actually meeting my friend from college, Amanda. I'm living with her next year too. I'm meeting her for lunch. She's actually has an internship down in Tyson's area, so it's like a 30-ish minute drive from me, so I probably need to get ready to leave soon. It's her lunch break, so I can't be late, but I'm so excited to see her and catch up with her. I haven't seen her since my birthday, so I'm super excited, and just to hear how her summer's going and stuff. I haven't seen a lot of my friends since my birthday, any of my friends since my birthday, because they're all in different places, so I'm definitely excited to see her. And I have to take a pause on the whole unboxing and setting up situation just because I have to go, and if I get too into it and I start to set up the Mac, I will never leave, so I'm not even plugging the Mac in until I get back because I don't want to be late or anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed and get ready to go. I just want to take a very quick second to say thank you guys so much for supporting me here on YouTube, because I would never have the opportunities that I have, and I would never have, you know, such a big reason to get such a nice and amazing thing for myself. But to know that I have you guys' support and that I will have you guys watching my videos and I can invest in something big like that, it just means a lot. So thank you guys. I never anticipated that so many people would watch my YouTube or find it helpful, and it's really become honestly my favorite platform to create content on and just be fully myself on. So I really appreciate you guys for allowing me to make that space and to get me to a point financially where I can pay for that myself, and I can get these collaborations and deals with companies to show you guys how amazing their products are. Like this standing desk, I was shook when it started rising. I said, excuse me? I'll definitely keep you guys posted on the transformation of that. I think my Amazon order isn't coming until tomorrow, so I might vlog tomorrow once it comes in. But it looks like this. So it's just like a sage green pad, but I feel like it'll look really cute. Hopefully it matches okay with the computer. If it doesn't, then I might return it and get like more of a creamy beige one. Okay, here's the look I'm going with. Love the little top, big bottom moment. I don't know which shoes. I'm leaning towards the Dunks just because I feel like they're more cohesive. Hopefully you guys agree, because you can't give me advice right now. But the back of these guys, I'm obsessed. It's a cute little streetwear-y look. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Dunks. I really like the way it looks. Probably gonna take some pictures when I'm there just because that area is pretty and I can show how Honor can be worn outside of the gym. But yeah, I'm obsessed. Hi besties. Okay, I just had lunch with Amanda. I completely forgot to vlog it because I was kind of running late, but I made it on time. We ate at a little bakery in the Galleria and just kind of caught up about so much. We had so much to catch up on, so that was really refreshing. It's just so nice to see your best friends and catch up with them, especially when it's been a long time, and it's just so nice that it always connects. Like I feel like it's never awkward or anything like that, so that was super nice. So I might go straight to the gym and just do a quick workout. Okay, I just made it to the gym and I've never done this before. Like I'm in my jeans. I've never come into the gym and then had to change in the locker room. I'm gonna get a quick push day. Like it's not gonna be anything crazy. I just wanted to come and get something done while I was already out, and then I'm gonna go home. So I probably won't film my workout or anything, but follow me on Instagram if you guys want any workout content and stuff, and I'll definitely do another full video dedicated to working out very soon for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get this lift in and then I'll check back in. Okay, I'm home now and I have another package here from Berga. I'm so excited for this package. I got a laptop case, 2 phone cases, and a, what's it called? AirPod case. Really leveling up all the technology in this video. I thought that this print was super cute. I love this green pattern. I got this green pattern for all of my cases so that it could all be like very cohesive. So this is the laptop one. Oh, this is so cute. Here is the AirPod case, just that same pattern. All the quality seems pretty good. And then the 2 phone cases. So I got this green one, and then I also got this one. It's a fun, very basic kind of print, so I could have something less flashy if I needed it. Hopefully there's a MagSafe. I requested the MagSafe kind because I always use like my phone wallet. Oh yeah, it is. Cool. So it connects. That's so cute. I'm gonna switch it out because my phone case from Apple is getting really like banged up and stuff, so I felt like it'd be fun to switch it up. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox that for you guys really fast. I'm probably gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna start setting up my Mac, and then I think I'm gonna end the vlog now for today, and then I'll check back in tomorrow with the final setup for my desk area. Okay, hi guys, it's literally days later. I unboxed my Mac and I unboxed my FlexiSpot table, and the last thing I was waiting on was my desk pad for under the mouse and under the keyboard, and the first one that I got, it just did not look good. It was like too different of a green, so I was like, okay, I feel like no more green. I should just get like more of a neutral desk pad to put under it. And then I ordered a different one from Amazon and they lost it. The one time they ever lose something of mine, it's something that I want urgently. So I got a refund for that, and now I am on my 3rd order from Amazon with hopefully a cute desk pad. pad. So we're gonna unbox it together. I haven't even looked at it yet. Okay, way better. But it's just like a basic cream color, which I think is gonna look a lot better because it adds a contrast to the white, but it's not too different from the green or like a different color green or anything. Okay, so the desk setup is officially done. I'm gonna show you guys a little desk tour right now. The lighting is gonna be a little bit more yellowy orange just because of the overhead lights that we have, and it's a little dark and gloomy today, but I'm super excited to show you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough. So here is just like a full view of how the desk looks. We have that under there, just ignore kind of the stuff on the ground. I bought a cute little cheap trash can from Target. It was like $4. Here is the full stationary view. The desk is in more of a standing height right now, which I like. And then I also have this pretty tall chair, which is nice because then I don't have to move it out of the standing as much. I can just stand up and then rise it a little bit more to standing height. But I'll just go through what we have going on. So obviously we have my gorgeous Mac. She's amazing and she works perfectly. I've been using it for all types of stuff. Here I just have the cute keyboard and mouse pad, and then this is what I just got in today, which is the fun leather mouse thing because I need something for the mouse to move on top of. Then over here I just have this super cute little like hourglass. It actually is for 30 minutes, so you can like flip it over and it'll do 30 minutes and then you'll know when it's done. I like to use this for times that I need to be very productive and focused, so I feel like it's perfect to have on my workstation here. Then I just have this super cute plant from Target, and I felt like the little bit of beige at the bottom here went really well with the beige on the laptop pad. Then I just have this. It's just a marble coaster. For now, it's just holding my little snack container. I just put a bunch of these wild berry Skittles in here. These are like my favorite snack. They're my guilty pleasure. But I just feel like it's nice to have a little snack by your workstation. Then right here, this actually used to be in my bedroom, but I moved it over here instead because I feel like it fit the vibe better. It's just this fun little vase with these flowers coming out of the top, fake obviously. And then this also used to be in my bedroom. It's like this charging stand, but I felt like it also went better out here. And so I just held my Apple Watch, my AirPods. These are actually my mom's AirPods, but these, for some reason, my computer, my AirPods like have a delay in the lagging of when I'm editing, but my mom's newer ones don't, so I've been having to use her newer ones, and then this charges my phone. So I can just have everything kind of in one place here at the station, and it's just so cute and perfect, and it's been so nice for me. I've been very productive the past few days. And as far as how the desk moves, so this little white button here is the lock button, so you just hit it twice, and you're gonna be unlocking it now, and then you can hit the up arrow, and it tells you how high it is. So I usually, when I'm standing, like it at about 39. I found that that's the perfect height for me. And then if you want to keep it in place, then you're just gonna hit this button again, and then that locks it into place so that it's perfectly sturdy. It also has these little outlets, which is cool. So I have this outlet here that plugs that in. And overall, it's just super nice and sleek. And then lastly, I just wanna go over what I have in this cute little hidden drawer here. I got this super cute stuff that I'm super excited to show you guys. So I got these little trays here from Target. They were literally $1. And then I just put some pens, pencils, whatnot, and then these are like the little adapters that I need to get the clips and stuff off of my SD card so I can put them into the computer. This is just a mic for my camera that I don't really use much. Here is just a cute little journal that I've been using for content planning. So I have the first week of content in here, and then I got this super cute notepad from Target with just a bunch of the different tasks that I need to do, and then I got all these fun highlighters, and I highlighted it based on the platform or the thing that I needed to do, which just keeps me a lot more organized because I feel like I didn't have like a true organizational pattern here at home. And then obviously I have all these highlighters and pens, Sharpies, little sticky notes, just all the little essentials. So I love how this drawer is, and it's super nice to have everything here, but it's nice that I can just tuck it away if I don't want it all cluttered on the desk. So that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the whole process of creating a little workstation for myself. I know I really enjoyed creating it, and thank you so much to FlexiSpot for sending over the desk. It's amazing. I do believe I have like a linker code that you guys can shop it as well that I'll put down in the description box, and I will also link the Apple refurbished store since I got my Mac from the Apple refurbished store, as well as any other of the accessories or things that I showed you guys today in case you guys want to elevate your workstation as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'd be alone but never feel scared. I'm just so happy you might see tears. I live my life, yeah, fuck it, who cares? Climbing up, I'm high on top stairs. It's been way too crowded.